What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here. Having a look at my paperwork and service history of the fabulous new Cadillac ATS-V we just got from Capital Cadillac. It's over in Smyrna, Georgia, north of Atlanta. One of the longest running and top rated Cadillac dealers in the United States, actually. I did not know that until recently. Look at what they give you upon purchase. Okay, not, they don't give you just some lame manila folder. No, they give you an actual binder with your paperwork and, everything basically. But I just wanted to show you something here. Now, there was nothing wrong with this car. This was a one-owner car, originally purchased from this dealership by the previous owner. All services done by this dealership. Kept in top-notch condition. I looked at the Carfax and all other research I did on the car. Absolutely nothing wrong with it throughout its ownership. Even so, now I don't know if this is just a Cadillac thing or if this is just a Capital Cadillac thing. I want you to look at what they did to make sure this car was perfect before putting it up for sale, even though there was absolutely nothing wrong with it. Those ATS-Vs have ridiculous, awesome braking systems on them. They replaced the entire braking system, front and rear pads, front and rear rotors, all of the above. That is just for the parts. For a complete brake system, as far as the wearable parts. Labor, that's their cost of labor. Also, now it did have 40,000 miles, so the tires were probably about to need to be replaced, but they replaced them on their dime. Michelin Pilot Sports, $1,100. That's their cost. This is not retail, because they don't do $80 labor at no Cadillac dealership. That is their cost of labor. So, wheel alignment and all that, part of the tire installation. I'm just, when he read this off to me when we were talking to do the sale, I was like, holy crap. Okay, so they basically spent almost $3,800 to get this car in top-notch condition, ready for sale, even though there was absolutely nothing wrong with this car. I am like freaking blown away, man. Wow. Anyway, this is no sales pitch, but I am going to help them out. We're going to start doing some vehicle reviews over there. They're also going to be offering the new amazing Hummers that'll be coming out next year. Cadillac dealers will be the ones offering those new trucks that are supposed to be just unbelievable. So we may get our hands on some really cool cars, as well as their used cars, of course, because they sell all makes and models, of nice cars. And so we'll get over there and get to have a look and touch and feel and do some filming of some things. So they're really nice people. I mean, right now, if you're not familiar with what's going on in the new car industry, it is not good. They can't get very important microchips. And this is pertaining to all manufacturing of all types of things and items and devices, not just cars. Anything that's requiring really sensitive microchips that usually come from Taiwan and China are very slow to be manufactured right now. Now, there's a number of different reasons for this, but it's very hard to get them, and they have to have them for new cars. So that's why you drive by most new car dealerships right now, and they have almost no cars on the lot because they can't get them. So it's just unbelievable what's happening. So that's why the used car market is really strong, because it's pretty much the only option people have. So Capital Cadillac is also seeking out nice cars to sell. So if you own a really nice car and you're looking to sell it to a dealership, now you're not going to make retail price, of course, for it. But if you're looking to sell your car, give them a buzz down there. Capital Cadillac. It's on Cobb Parkway in Smyrna, Georgia, which is near Marietta, just north of Atlanta. I'll put a link down below how you can get a hold of them. But go to capitalcadillac.com online. But if you're looking to buy a car, talk to John. And he's a good dude. Good fellow, and we hope to be working with him a lot more in the future. Anyway, just want to show you what they did to this perfectly good operating ATS-V to get it prepared for sale. I was blown away. Anywho, check out our videos. We're going to have tons of new videos with this car, of course, because it is fantastic, and I am very picky on what I would consider fantastic. This car is terrific. And so anyway, be on the lookout for all kinds of new stuff coming soon to the Horsepower House channel, and look for us online. Google Horsepower House. You'll find us on Facebook, eBay, Amazon as well. And that's it. Y'all have a great day. We shall see y'all later.